In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the camera scan. Now the camera scan is available in the HP app, and once you have got any printer that is set up in the HP app, you can use the camera scan. We will use the HP SmartTank 585 printer series as a demo. So let's head over to our HP app and start it up. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. The HP SmartTank 580 printer series is already added to the HP app. So let's tap on the printer icon. So under the HP app, there's a how-to to try the camera scan. In this case, we'll go straight to camera scan. We need to allow camera access. So this is the document that we want to scan. So let's position the document content in camera frame. So he has taken a photo using the camera on our phone. Select the boundaries and go to next. You can now save your document, or you can even add another document if needed, or even you can rotate. Select the document and rotate. Once you're done, you can have a print preview, you can share, you can have shortcuts, or you can even save or fax the document. So this is how you use the camera scan on the HP app to scan documents or photos.